Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic 2D list in Python language. How we are going to printing and how we are going to reading a matrices items in Python list items. Using 2D list we are going to be printing. For more details we'll see in this video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about 2D list printing and how to handle 2D list in Python. It is very easy and handling this 2D list printing. With the including of using of nested loops, we'll simply print like matrices how the patterns are to be. Like see here, I will show you on the matrix pattern of like this is the pattern where is in matrices it would be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. This is the pattern we are going to printing and how to access these patterns the matrices using our programming way using nested loops. We will see here. I will write like a matrix I'm implementing. Matrix I'm going to be writing for this matrix. See, like a 3 by 3 matrices. If I written here called within the list items, I have to write here. Now, matrices is having first row. It is 1, 2, 3. So similarly, more paste straight away. I'm pasting here. Take a tab. Align the code. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the matrix is available. You have to take it comma here. Done. Okay. Now the value which is I want to take from here from the matrix. You want to write simply for matrix by calling print of matrix of what is the position I'm going to be take from here 0 and 0 space and like a 0 comma 1. If I want to read matrix like this, now see what we will get output. So I have a given the position 0 row and the position 1, the index of the 1, the output is 2. This is the value I'm able to get. If I change this to 2, it would be, isn't that? That is the way we can easy to read the matrices by using the 2D list. Alright, add our wish to add over there a value of the matrices. Any. Like if I want to correction and modify these matrices here 0, 1 and instead of 2 I want to print over there in the value of 20. Like see, I will tell you how to, it is a matrix that equal to matrix that equal to I have to pass the value of 0, 1 means this is the string only is required. 0, 1 equal to 30. That's it. Now the value it is printed is 20 only. Likewise, 2D list we can modify the values from the 2D list very easily. And this is the matrix we can easy to read what are all the numbers from these matrices using the nested loop. We have to write 2 loops to implement that. Now we will see how to write. For row you can call it as or item you can call it as anything. Matrix for row in matrix and for item in row. On every loop statement terminal colon. Now what I want to print here is a print of the item. See here on first row wise I am identifying from the matrix On the row, how many columns are there? I am identifying here. That column means that this is we call it as a row, and this is the 1, 2, 3. The straight away it's in a column. We can identify it by row wise, and within the row, the column wise, we can read the data from left to right. And on row, there is an item I am identifying, and I'm taking in a print with that particular item. Now see how it will be the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 26 is different. 5. Execute. Now see here, an output is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whereas index, based on the index numbers, we can identify the matrices in the list, as well as we can also find and modify the 2D list items using the matrices pattern.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.